headed to the dollar store. What we need from the dollar store? You ready? Let's go. Alright, so here in Dollarama now. I'm in the arts and crafts aisle. So many things they have over here. I have to come to this aisle every time. Just so you need to walk that dollar store. You see when you get to the dollar store? Walk it. Okay. Walk the dollar store. I'm telling you right now, you see all these curtain rod in my washroom. I don't give a damn what kind of curtain rods in my washroom. So one little small window. That's what I use in my bathroom. Their curtain rod right there. Okay. But what I'm showing you is the wood. So, I mean, there's this one too, but it's way too far at the back. I couldn't pull it out. There are, if you look at these three carefully, you'll see there are pattern changes. So even that gives it a different look of wood. See the highlights and the legs, different colors. So these would be one group. You can mix it with the darker ones too. See this kind of look of wood there, and that's different than this one here. So these are different ones, and it shows you how you can do them in that pattern, in that pattern, or in that pattern, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. So these actually are $3 a pack for 8 pieces. It gives you dimensions and everything. Bet you didn't know you could get something so nice. Last year, I added a backdrop to one side of my kitchen. This year, we have expanded our kitchen to give me more counter space, thank the Lord. Because we was on this love it or list it thing. Dwayne loves it. I'm ready to list it. We need to come together and make me happy. Okay? Happy wife, happy life. You don't know. So, we've been on some renovation, refresh, whatever you want to call it. I used to have floor to ceiling cabinetry right here, and we've taken out the middle row. We've added 2 outlets, and now I have to add a little backsplash, a bootleg backsplash. And I call it bootleg because it's not like official glass or official porcelain or official, it's budget. A budget backsplash, there you go. And I'm gonna show you exactly what we did, what we're doing, in case you wanna do it too. You get your stickers, your wall stickers, which is what they're actually called. I was going through Dollarama one day, and I saw them and I was like, this kind of matches my color scheme, so let me give it a try. And when I tried it on the other side, it looked actually really good, and nobody even knew that it was Dollarama. So there you go. There's different patterns to them. If you look at them closely, you can see, because it's like wood, you know, no wood is the same. So I bought 4 different packs, which has 4 different variations. And if you look at the back of them, it gives you different ideas on how to lay it. You can lay it in the brick by brick, brick by brick pattern. And today we're gonna follow the same brick pattern, subway pattern is what they call it, I think. Let Dwayne show you how it's done. You know I'm not doing it because Dwayne not trust me with them project here. Him thinks that him name a perfectionist, when Princess P is clearly a perfectionist, Virgo life. But anyways, also I lack patience, so we're a perfect match. Watch him go. Dwayne basically created his own little, I don't know, what is this, grid? I guess. Well, this is kind of telling you guys. So the measurements are 4 inches by 24. And we measured basically we need 4 across and 6 down. I haven't put the countertop on. I was going to, and then I was like, put this on first because it would kind of eliminate us cutting this last piece and go from there. So you're gonna see him putting this all together because him not trust me for the damn something here. Him send me to rushy, and I'm not a perfectionist. When I am a perfectionist, so I'm gonna know what I'm here about. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna start pre-planning them because like every time we're looking like which one goes next. We're such sticklers. You could just literally just put up whatever, but like I like to look and see what the pattern is. Like this one is darker. These two are darker. This is the darkest. This is a medium dark. This is a light one. And these two are light ones, I should say. And then looking at the pattern and to be able to put it upside down. So like for example, this is that way. This one's up and down. You could tell by the two a couple bullets old there. Even this. Oh no, these are the same. You got what I'm saying. You feel me? you go in and you do the little pieces with whatever leftovers you have. As you can see, it's looking good. He measured it at 5 inches. But you can do yours whatever you like. Voila, c'est fini. So everything is done. This is my bootleg, sorry, my budget backsplash. Looks good to me. I mean, if it looks good to you too, you could go ahead and give it a try. Again, this is a Dollarama product, and we ended up using all 3, what was it, 4 packs that I had? Yeah, couple things. 1 pack, the dimensions were not exact to what it was actually saying it was. When we end up measuring it, it was a little tiny bit bigger, which causes a problem when you're trying to keep them in line. So either you gotta cut it or overlap it. You gotta work that through. Other than that, everything else was good. Pretty straightforward. On the end, I did the vertical and everything else was horizontal. And yeah, uno momento. And it's done. With my countertop, my backsplash. And I have a new piece in my kitchen and I feel good. There you go. Give it a try if it so suits you. You can see what it looks like. I'll live with it for now because we are planning to change the backsplash eventually into something actual. But for now, we on a budget. We on a budget. The dollars ain't adding up, so we gotta keep it low. This is my $12 solution. $12 backsplash. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget me. Don't forget about us. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching.